So if you've ever tried a liquid MCT before and it didn't agree with you, or you just want something that mixes clean without any prep, this is worth adding to your morning routine. Now, I want to show you how I like to make mine. I already have my cup of black coffee right here, and this is a coffee frother. I like to add a little bit of water into my frother, which we'll do now. So I've added a little hot water to the frother already. I am going to get a scoop of the powder and we're going to put it in the frother. And we're going to froth that up for a bit. This is just like a fancy whisk, really. Okay, now I didn't let it get too frothy, and we're going to pour that right down into the coffee. And as you can see, it is just a really nice cream inside of your morning coffee with no oil rising to the top, no clumps, no mess. Look, I didn't expect to like this as much as I do. This is the Bubs Naturals Butter MCT Oil Powder Creamer. It is built around coconut-derived MCTs, specifically the C8 and the C10, blended with grass-fed butter, tapioca starch, prebiotic fiber, and milk protein. So this isn't just flavored oil in a tub. It's real fat-based creamer designed for keto lifestyles. So if you were like me back when we started keto, I used to put heavy cream and butter into my coffee, and that butter would rise to the top, leaving that layer, and it was hard to stomach for me. This, in a 10-gram serving, you're looking at 70 calories, 7 grams of fat, 2 grams of carbs. But what really stood out to me is the powder format, because it's micro-encapsulated. It dissolves smoothly into your coffee, tea, smoothies without that layer of oil on top that I was talking about before. And this is what it looks like. It almost looks like snow. I tasted this raw on my tongue from the tub, and it tastes like milk. It tastes like creamer. And I want to say that this also seems gentler on my stomach than the liquid MCT, and that makes it easier to use daily for me. Again, that liquid MCT, that oil rises to the top and you're constantly having to blend it, at least I do, in order for me to enjoy it. So I like that I can actually enjoy this in my morning coffee, just feeling like I have cream in there. So in terms of feel, it's marketed for sustained focus and clean energy, and that matches my experience. A steady lift without that crash.